Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'll show you how to insert the SIM or memory card into your Huawei P20 Lite. For this operation, go to your box and here you have the key, secret key. We should take it off. This is the key and put it into this hole, small hole. Put the key in. Pick. And here there is a place for 1 and 2 slot for SIM card on one SIM card and one memory card. Here, SIM card, or SIM card and memory card, as you wish, my friend. So I hope the video is helpful for you, but before I put your SIM card into your phone right here, and now you can call. And continuing, when the video is helpful for you, if yes, you can thumbs up, subscribe my channel, and see you by next video. Hey.